right, hi everyone out there in drum world. I want to welcome you again to Play Drums the Easy Way. My name is Andre John and I really want to welcome you today. I also want to say thanks to all those of you who have been looking at my videos. You have also been subscribing, all right? I really appreciate that. I want to give a shout out to one of my students all the way in Ireland. You know, he was saying, you know, in the comments that he was saying thanks so much, you know, for showing him, you know, how to play reggae. You know, that some of my videos are some of the best that he has seen so far that is able to help him to learn to play reggae. And I really want to say thanks to you so much, you know, for that and for subscribing. All right, so what we're going to be looking at today, we're going to be looking at some further reggae beats, but we're going to include what is called syncopation, or what I call jams and rolls. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so what we want to do now is to include a song or two songs, and two famous songs. One of them is Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its feet was white. So what we're going to do is to include the syncopation, all right, as we sing that song. And then there's another song that says, yes, Jesus loves me. All right, so we're going to see if we can include those two songs. So let's go. 1, 2. Mary had a little lamb, a little lamb, a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its feet was white as snow. Anywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Anyway that Mary went, that was sure to. Little lamb, Mary had a little, its feet was white as snow. Anywhere that Mary went, Mary went. right, so the next song we're going to be looking at is Yes, Jesus Loves Me. All right, very famous song that some of us grew up with in Sunday school. Okay, so we're going to be playing a different syncopation, all right, and we're going to jump into that song. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. Jesus loves me and you. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. All right, let's bring it home now. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Right, so I want to say thanks so much for looking. But what I want to include, you understand, before I complete every, drum beat or everything that I'm showing you, I want to give you what is called a beat inspiration. All right, we know about inspiration, but here is a beat inspiration coming directly from me. And the first one is to keep the beat alive. Every rhythm you play has the power to breathe life into music. Remember that. With every strike of the drums, you set a pulse that resonates in the hearts of those who hear it. Stay steady, stay passionate, and let your beats carry the energy forward, bringing music to life. So I want to ask you to share, like, subscribe. There's some links in the description if there's anything you need by way of drums. All right, and thank you so much for joining. Bye.